The other day, my ratchet was locked up. It just seemed like it was no good all of a sudden. I tried to turn it, like this, and it wouldn't. And I'd flick it the other way and try to turn it, and it wouldn't. So I was thinking, damn, this is junk. So I started trying other ratchets, and quite a few of my ratchets are junk. So I got out some oil, just like that. Just a little. And I sprayed a little here and there too. And wipe it off, clean it. I know that, it seems like a no-brainer. But occasionally you have to clean and put some oil on these. And then they'll, treat you right. Well, that's my tip for the day. Have a great day, everyone. God bless you, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.